mashed potato. Okay, wait. I made it a little bit thinner so it will turn out nice and crispy. That's potato number 1. Yeah. We're gonna make them. Yeah, and then in the oven. Definitely. So now, you parboil them. Okay. Oh, I have 2 minutes. I need 2 sheets. Or maybe I can. You have to parboil them or steam them in the oven, in the microwave or in boiling water, I mean. And then you have to smash them. And then you have to bake them in the oven so they get nice and crispy. Brush them with some flavored oil. This one is it's a long one. The thinner you get them, the crispier they'll get. There you go. I like all crisp. So then you can fry them. That is that. And then we're going to brush them with the oil. And the garlic. While Christmas music is playing in the background. The 3rd day of the Advent calendar. Oh, I still have to take my candy out. Vincent's brother gave us an Advent calendar with all licorice candy. Like it. I liked it a lot. Get all of the oil. You were there, I think, when I tried the coffee, or did you fall asleep then? Time. Rinse it all off. Pepper. Salt. No, you don't have to apologize. It's fine. You're having very busy days, I can totally understand. That is for the potatoes. Now before we put it in the oven,